your girl Tanaeah Gladden.
Now you gotta put that part in there.
And that was my little sister Juju introducing me. But welcome back, guys. Today I have a little date night tutorial for you guys, a little Smokey eye, you know. First, I'm priming my face with the Tanaeah primer. And then we're just going to smooth that in with the fingers. For foundation, I'm going to use my, what is this, L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation in shade 209. I'm just going to blend that in with the Beauty Blender all over. To conceal and highlight, I'm using my NARS Radiant concealer in the shade Biscuit. I'm just gonna set those areas with some translucent powder, and I really forget the name of this, but I got it from Walmart, and the name is really drawing blanks right now. But I'm just gonna set the areas I highlighted, really my whole face. And for the eyes, I'll be using this Tarte palette. And I think I'm pointing out the shades that I'm using, but we're gonna start off with this real dark, cool brown shade and apply that on the lid first. Then I'm gonna take like this burgundy type shade and just blend out the edges and blend it outwardly. That's really it to complete the top lid eyeshadow. Now I'm going to contour using my Black Radiance contour palette in the shade light to medium palette, I believe. I'm just gonna contour slightly, not too dramatic. Want to set my whole face with some Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, period, and then just add a little bit of highlight. And I'm gonna do my lashes off camera and come back and do my lips on camera. Y'all should already know I'm using my MAC Chestnut lip liner to line my lips. And after I line my lips, I will be adding some Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. It's like a peach shade. And I will complete the lip. Hope you guys enjoy this look. You know, you can wear it date night, club night, anywhere actually. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, hit the notification bell. You know how that go. Just stay tuned, keep supporting, appreciate y'all.